Last video I showed you guys step by step how I change my money from US dollar to pounds on Payoneer because I want to get my money on black market rate on Gray. So Gray is an app where you can actually get transfer funds from abroad and also convert it to black market rate in Naira. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I'm going to send my money from my Payoneer pounds account to my Gray pounds accounts. First thing first, I will have to log into my Gray. I'm going to log into my Gray account, open my pounds account details, and after opening it, I open the bank account. For example, look at my Gray. You can see that this is my Gray BT pounds. Immediately I log in, it is there. If I come here to my Gray BT pounds, you're going to see the account details. So I'm going to copy this account details and I'll connect it to my Payoneer account. So what I'm going to do is I'll open my Payoneer via browser. I'll minimize this and I'll open Payoneer through browser. Let me go to Google Chrome. Where is Chrome? My Google Chrome. This is Chrome. And I'm going to go to Payoneer official website. I'll go to payoneer.com. Payoneer.com. Right. Now I have my reasons for opening this on Google Chrome. That I chose not to open it through mobile app because I want it to be like in a PC mode where I can have access to all the information I need to fill. That is why. So if you want to change your phone to like show the PC mode, you can click on these three dots on your browser and click on desktop site, this one. Then it is going to change in this mode, and if you click out, it's going to change back to mobile view. So I'm going to sign in to my Payoneer account so that I can add extra bank account, which will be the Great Britain pounds account, to my Payoneer. Once I connect it and it connects successfully, then I can now transfer the money from my Payoneer to my Gray account. Now let me log in. My Payoneer login details straight. They could decide to send the code, they could decide not to send the code. Anyone that happens is fine. Alright, just follow me in this tutorial. This is not difficult, but then you just need to follow me step by step so that you don't miss out on any step. I'm going to put a link in my description for you to use in creating your Gray account, and you're going to get some free dollars for using that link. Right now, this is the money I converted from US dollar to Great Britain pounds. So in Great Britain pounds I have 66.87 pounds. Right, so I'm going to come to this dot, these three dots here. When I click on it, I'm going to come to bank and cards. Yeah, when I click on bank and cards, then I'm going to click on bank account for withdrawal. Now bank account for withdrawal simply means the bank account you'll be sending your money to. So I'm going to see different options here. You can see Echo Bank, Sterling Bank, the two banks that I have put before. Now I'm going to add the Great Britain pounds account in this place, so I can add extra one account, which will be the third account. I'll click on add. Then I'm going to add the Great Britain pounds account. It's a personal account. The bank country is the United Kingdom, so I'm going to search for UK here. The United Kingdom, this is it, UK. Then I'm going to select the bank currency, which is GBP, that's the Great Britain pounds, and click on next. So I'm going to put other information concerning the bank account. That is why I went to my Gray account to open my Great Britain pounds bank account details that they created for me. I'm going to put the information in this Payoneer. Let's allow this one to load. Right, this is a step-by-step process, so you need to be very patient. Now I'm going to select the bank name. Now I'll have to go to this place. The name of the bank is Clear Junction Limited, so I'll have to select Clear Junction Limited. It is not here. Clear Junction Limited is not here, so I'm going to click on orders. There's supposed to be a place for order. I'm going to write the name of the bank manually. Clear Junction Limited. Right, and my account holder name, I'm going to copy it the way it is on my Payoneer. It is Victor Agagu Apeji. I have to put this right. I have to copy it the way it is on my Payoneer. I have to select Great Britain pounds here, account details. I'll click on this, the way my name is arranged. I'll put it here. I'm going to paste it right? So the account number, I'm going to come here, select the account number. This is account number here. I'm going to come here and I'll paste it. This is what you're going to do step by step. Then the sort code, it is here, sort code. Look at the sort code. I'm going to copy. You can write it manually, but I prefer to copy so that there will be no mistake. Then I'm going to paste it here, right? I've copied the sort code. Then I have to confirm the bank account details I've provided. I'll click on next. So I'm going to wait for Payoneer to verify this account details. Now I'm going to put in my password here, right? I'm going to put in my password here. So I'm going to pause this video so that I can put in this personal information. To my personal information now, this particular place, it is showing pending. So the thing is, I have to wait for them to verify this bank, and if they verify it, I'm going to get a mail from Payoneer in my email that this account has been verified. This is going to change from pending to approved, right? So while we hold on for that to happen, this particular tutorial is for you that you're thinking of, or you want to find out how you can connect your Gray account to your Payoneer account. You want to send funds from your Gray to your Payoneer so that you can exchange your money in black market rate. This is how you connect the bank account details of your Gray account to your Payoneer account. You need to be sure that the account is in your name. The name is also, your Payoneer account is your name, your Gray account is your name. You take the account details, you're going to add it to your Payoneer by coming to bank and cards, and you click on bank account for withdrawal. That is how you do it. Then you fill the whole information like I did in that tutorial. Now I will advise you to always use Great Britain pounds over the dollar, because the dollar is always having issue on Payoneer. I tried transferring money via dollar. When I connected the dollar account, it did not work, so I got a refund. You can see it here, refunded. So I had to convert the money from US dollar to Great Britain pounds. Now the Great Britain pounds is what I'm not going to send the money with, but the money is still on my Payoneer. So if you come to this my home, you're going to see that in my Great Britain pounds, I have 66.87 pounds in my Great Britain pounds. Is that pounds money I'm going to send to my Gray account. Then from Gray, I can convert it black market rate, which is around 800 and something, maybe 880, to Naira on my Gray account, right? So this is how this tutorial is going to be. I'm going to end the tutorial here. At least this is to show you how to add your account details from Payoneer to Gray. Then I'm going to continue when I've gotten a mail that the account has been approved, so that you can see step by step how you can now send your money from the Payoneer to the Gray account, and how you can convert it from the Gray account to your Naira in black market rate, right? If you find this video very helpful, which I'm sure you will, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, you like this video, leave a comment. A thank you will go a long way. It will help excuse me, it will help the YouTube algorithm pick my video and suggest it to more people that have this issue, and it is also going to encourage me to make more content. Yes, and if you have any question whatsoever, one thing I try to do is I try as much as possible to answer all your questions concerning any tutorial I make. Just leave that in the comment section. I'll do it to answer all your questions. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys, and I'm going to continue this tutorial once I've gotten an email confirmation. But for now, enjoy this particular aspect of the video. I hope to see you in my next video, where I give you more interesting content. And don't forget to watch out when I'm going to convert this money. I'm going to send this money from Gray to Payoneer, then I'm going to convert on Gray to black market rate in my Gray account. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.